Give me one big claw, no more one big claw like how me a vlog to show them. Sorry? Yeah man, whoa, that nice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jaydah. So today we're actually in the streets of Kingston, I don't tell me where the crossroads.
Crossroads.
We're the crossroads, we're right in the middle. We're actually at Hero Circle. If you just take a look around. And behind of me we've got the famous Jamaica street food crab. So if you're not from Jamaica, crab is like a little seafood animal that we eat down here. We boil it. Sometimes we have it spicy. Sometimes people even crush the meat and then they have it separately. But we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys what's happening behind of me. We're gonna be going through the pricing. So this is actually a food vlog. I'm currently doing Jamaican food vlogs and then the jerk chicken one. And this is the crab one. I've been craving crabs. So guys, I've been craving crab for the longest. So today we're gonna order some crabs. We're gonna delve right in. We're cooking live and direct.
So how are them cooking? Right, better view. You want to go down in a pot? Yeah,
I'm about to back my bed here, and I'm going to throw it in the tub. Alright, I'm going to go down and look and see what else. Mummy, we have just the crab? Right, crab, yeah, down the third, okay. Right. Sometimes I'm going to see you all so they have roast sweet corn and they have breadfruit as well. This is breadfruit. The roast is saltfish?
Well, I know. Yeah.
Guys, there's a lot of wind blowing, so I'll talk a bit closer in the camera. So this is breadfruit, this is roast saltfish. I'm not sure what that is. That one. This is saltfish. Yam. Oh, see right here, so. And they will have roast sweet corn. This is Ufa shop. Your shop and see Mummy shop there. Alright, I'm gonna go walk and then come back if anything. See some more crabs here. I'll get the prices for you guys in a minute. But they cook the crabs live in the boiling water. I'm just showing you guys. I don't know, I do one YouTube vlog, so I'm just show them what I go on. Oh, you sell it? Okay. That's not bad. For the crab? For the crab price? Yeah, that's not bad then. So wanna grow them? Wanna buy them? Shouldn't always do over here, man, so you must grow them, you must rear them. Oh, so they buy them from the people in the country that actually live where the crabs come out. Let me just show you guys the colors. The crab smells so good, guys. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells absolutely yummy. So everybody down here basically sells the same thing. It's just different vendors. And then see some big claw there down there. You can see the lady doing it. Order the crab now and then I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Mom, can I show them your pots? The crab them look good, you know? Like Mommy. So when you come and order, you always there here, so? From Winchy. How you go? 500. 500. What else you sell? Talk to people in Munchie. What else you sell?
Soup, chicken foot and cowskin. Soup finished now.
You do it here every day?
Every day except Sundays.
Except Sundays. So you guys can come here and order from Munchie. She's very polite. Let her know that Jaydah sent you guys. And then you have the other ladies down here if Munchie not there. But Munchie not there. You always there though?
I don't know how you say one people have killed me, you know. Why all I want to come here when people have killed me? Actually,
you're so kind. Don't stay in another cuscus. Don't miss out. I'll be away. Give me one big claw, no more one big claw like how me have vlog to show them.
Sorry?
Yeah man, whoa, that nice. I'm gonna come by this side, so just give me one big one and done. Are you the when you do the mother from? The Mitchells them? Are you the Mitchells the mother? Are you a Munchie?
Yeah.
Hi Munchie!
I'm Munchie.
Hi, but true me don't know if I'm multiple Munchies, so you are okay, you are take everybody money, right? See Munchie here, and them the Mitchells them order from too. You know Tammy ever talk about our good soup.
And our good friend Munchie.
And our good friend Munchie, right. So Munchie saw me with them so I can be a friend too. That's right.
They want me my friend like Chucky.
Want to be a better friend than Chucky. It smells good guys. It smells so good. I'm sorry so the soup finished though, come on Belch and see what all the excitement about. The Munchie here. Yeah, I need to get my thumbnail and hold the chick that hold it. Oh, I can get in this and hold it. My one on one.
You know, you sure don't want it in front of everybody.
One picture instead though. And then I can just run in there. Oh, my battery are dead people. The battery are dead.
The camera battery?
My carry a spare one. The devil now win today. Never die. Guys, I'm sitting in Hero Circle now. I've actually never been in this park. This is the stuff you do when you're a tourist. You go to the parks in Jamaica. So this is what Hero Circle looks like. It's actually well kept. I didn't know it was this nice inside. And over here they have more like statues and pillars and stuff. So I was saying to my friend, those over there look cool for a photo shoot. But the crab place is literally opposite Hero Circle. And then this is my crab. I'm gonna have it now. I'm not really gonna do a lot of talking. I'm just gonna sit you guys down while I have it, and you guys can just see how I eat the crab. I'll probably explain every now and again, but this is what the crab look like. See crab eye here? Pop, 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 pop. People are through the back of light through the other park, but I catch the vibe. It's the crab. The crab looks like so I may lick my hand. I'm gonna go in there now, so sorry to you sir over there. For all of the rawness we're about to happen, but I have to do this for my own well-being. You understand? I'm sure you can comprehend that. You see guys, 2 bags. So 1 bag for the juice, other one for the leakings, because it's gonna leak. That's how the crab go. People like me, drink the juice. I don't know if I drink the juice today.
One thing you know.
Wow.
Can't make eye contact with homeless people more while, you know.
No, that is like an invitation.
Seriously, when you do it, it's like them know say yo them come over and go on, you see me?
No, they might come over.
The dogs over here, so I want to give them a stop, look over and say no. Do not come ask for some crab.
This is one of the crab legs. This is me eating it. You say chew up, that's how we work with it. So just bite it, suck out the meat, chew up the bone, spit it out, vibes. See? Vibes. That's part of the experience. Check out the whole thing, show now. Why you acting like you pull the crab from me now and help me? This is the crab. I got a big claw. Let's see if I can get something. That's cute. When I fly, so see the crab here. I don't know if a woman or a man. I don't remember what you tell, but I under here so you use. But I don't know if this is a woman or a man. Somebody comment and tell me. But right here is what them check to see if I have vag or pee. The crab have. Then you bust it. I bust it show now. Just for the vibes.
Your viewers them on a vegan. Skin supposed to have crab.
If you're vegan, why you still a watch? Then why are they here? Are you one day here, my love? Goodbye, exit. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Just enough. Look at the juice around our people. Look. All the juice around the people. one. Speak up. Goodbye. I joke. But then you're a eat a good crab. Alright, I'm probably go one beach and I'm probably just come for some bikini. Remember. You don't want speaker, stop screaming at the phone. Yeah, thank you. With love. Beautiful. Thank you for coming to get the crab with me.
Maybe 2 years ago, the first time she meet me.
Because? Alright, what's your name? So the big boy. Some of my favorite parts. One of them. But I'm not really dedicated to crab. Always get the big one them. I'm about to try dead people. I'm glad some get for them a crab vlog because they never work hard today. But look how the color come nice now that I'm correct it. That's crazy. This is a big old claw mega work through now. I crack it. And then I just, you see me pick up the shell them and eat out the meat.
But even look at them, I'm taking the scenes.
You know what now?
Enough things I'm not sure about.
We all miss out right now?
Yeah, just enough things I'm not sure about in life, but it's a grab.
Really? Guys, this have enough meat in it, but watch out. All of this part of meat.
I think from my personal experience, there's one time
that it was a friend, like a genuine friend, okay.
how much more that?
Guys, what you need to get was me alone. I just came in to show you guys this. I'm gonna go wipe down the shoe when I go home. Oh, that run off. Oh, bitch, spin. Anyways, guys, I just came to show you guys this. This is the head of the crab. Why me I do that, Derricka? Why you do that? It's the head of the crab. A beer juice. I must put out the juice. This is what it looks like. Yeah. I'm not eat that part then, I just put it one side. If it have the egg, I might eat the egg. But then you have this part. It's not really clear because it's a bit overcast.